Okay, guys, Merry Christmas. Okay, so my wife just bought me a AJ5, okay, off-white by Virgil. Okay, today we're gonna unbox it. Okay, it comes with a very nice packaging. Okay, this bag, off-white bag. Okay, so we're gonna open it. Okay, so I think this is the second Jordan release. Okay, since the 10. I'm not sure when is it, but 2017 I think. Okay, I got one of it here. Okay, it turns yellow already. But this is the most shoes that I wear this year. Okay, most shoes I wear this year. Okay, so we're gonna open up my gift. Okay, alright. It comes with a box with a lot of holes. Okay, of course, let's see the size. Okay, this will be my size. Okay, this is the retail price, guys. Okay, so Air Jordan 5 Retro. Okay, size 13. Okay, so let's see inside. Alright, so I have the receipt here. Just to make sure if, yeah, it's from Off-White. Okay, thank you so much, Off-White, for giving me this. Okay, so let's open. Looks very nice. Okay, so this is a Air Jordan 5 X Off-White. Okay, so Virgil actually wore this when he went to Paris. Okay, there's choices of shoelace that they have. So they give me another two shoelaces. Okay, and let's check out the sole. All right. Oh, that looks nice. Okay, they call this sail, off-white sail, Jordan 5. Okay, looks very nice. Okay, okay, I heard that you can actually make a hole here. So if you wear this, okay, your socks can be seen inside. So make sure you wear a nice socks when you wear this. And also there's a reverse Jordan over here. All right, looks very nice. Okay. So guys, I think the release of these shoes is very limited in Singapore. Okay, so hit me up if you want to buy this. Just joking. I will use this, of course. Okay, Merry Christmas. This is really nice. Okay, when I saw this, I can't sleep. All right, so that's the end of unboxing. Okay, the AJ5 Off-White by Virgil. All right, guys. I'll try to put this inside. Okay, YouTube. Okay, so this will be one of my top shoes that I'm wearing this year as well. Okay, so all the shoes that I wear every time, I put it here usually. So you will be one of top shoes that I will wear this year. Okay, so this is my top shoes that I wear. Okay, okay, guys, that is the Off-White J5 sale. All right, I'll put this in YouTube. Okay, bye bye.